Yung mga, I always try to indulge
Sige.
our listeners. So,
Indulge this. Dahil
yeah.
ako, pinapahamak mo ko sa mga question mo eh. Indulge on this. Sabi ni Jeffrey Soriano, gun in the head. Apocalypse. Zombie apocalypse. Who would you pick? Bolick or Holt? Sir Homer, sino pipiliin mo?
Oh my God. Okay, give me the scenario. Okay, ito yun. First of all, ito yun ha. The proper way to question is this. Gun on the head. Fate of the universe at stake. Zombie apocalypse coming. So,
Crunch time. 7 seconds on the shot clock. You have 5 seconds on the shot clock from the outside. And then, itong dalawaan, papasahan mo sino dito to win the game.
Stephen Holt.
Holt?
Stephen Holt is not the better shooter, but he is a reputational shooter. Meaning to say, pag may clutch talaga, walang daga sa dibdib. I'm not saying Robert Bolick may daga sa dibdib, but he hasn't shown up in any playoffs. There's no significant evidence na pag playoff maaasahan mo si Bolick. But look at Stephen Holt. Game 5, boom! Scores 23 points. Game 7, he was scoreless, pero sabi ni Coach Simcon, naka 7 rebounds, including 2 in the crucial stage of the game. So ito, with a gun on my head, fate of the universe at stake, zombie apocalypse coming, I will pick Stephen Holt over Robert Bolick. Every day of the week, twice on Sundays.
Follow-up, personal question. Kaibigan ba natin talaga si Robert Bolick?
Yeah. I used to message him, and then obviously
I used
Balat
to.
Sibuyas, I still consider him
Can
my
you prove to me? Can you prove to me na kaibigan natin? Pwede ba natin i-invite dito yan?
Pwede. Tanungin ko yung agent niya.
Kasi parang medyo mainit ang ulo mo parang ayaw mo siya piliin eh. Anong point mo siya pipiliin si Bolick?
Wait, Pao. Okay.
Parang mas magaling si Bolick ngayon dito pag sa shooting.
No, but you're talking the context was 7 seconds to go.
Okay.
If they play horse, I'll pick Robert Bolick. If they play a meaningless preseason game, I'll pick Bolick. If they play a meaningless regular season game, I pick Bolick. But playoffs.
Parang sinasabi mo na na hindi siya clutch.
Yeah, he's not clutch. He's not clutch. He is not Captain Clutch. Please do not. That's sacrilege to putting Clutch and Robert Bolick in the same sentence. Come on, Pao. Preno lang siya. Hindi siya Clutch, preno. Kasi when the big games come, he stops playing good.
May ginawa ba sa'yo si Robert? Grabe ka naman.
Wala na pang ginawa. Like I said, kaibigan ko si Robert, asawa niyan, Bisaya. Taga Cebu, taga Amin.
Oo.
But again, like I said, I don't make my opinions based on, taga Amin, kababayan ko. So,
Hindi ba medyo harsh yung opinion mo naman? Grabe ka naman, di siya clutch. Break siya.
Yeah, he's not clutch.
Makita mo yung poster. Mamaya makita mo na naman yung poster mo. Homer Saison.
Okay, talking of clutch, when was the last time you saw NLEX won a championship?
If Bolick goes to Ginebra or San Miguel or Tokentex.
Yes, so because he can ride in somebody else's coattails. Sakay ako sa iyo, Junmar. But we're talking about on his own. Ikaw yung superstar eh. Ikaw yung malaki ang sweldo. Ikaw yung maraming playing time. Ikaw yung paborito ng coach. Diba? So, if you give, tapos may pinigyan ka. It's not like NLEX is a bad team. May mga players na magaling. Look at dinagdag pa si Shawnee Winston.
Okay.
So
again, I want to move on from this.
Like I said, it's never personal when I write about something. It's always criticizing the game. Kasi walang personalan eh. Then,
no problem. No problem. Anyway, I'm just putting a little bit of spice. A little bit of spice energy.
You succeeded.
Pinapakulo ko pa lalo pero grabe ka naman talaga. Kaya nga nasa Pacos.
Sino yung
Jeffrey Soriano.
Jeffrey Soriano. Good. Fate of the universe. May ganun pa. Very nice.
Hindi, dinagdag ko na yun kasi nakuha ko sa...
Oh my God, ikaw ba?
Pinapili lang niya Bolik or Holt, sino pipiliin mo, tapos may smiley face siya. Before we go on, is there anything positive plus na pwede mong banggitin kay Robert Bolik para naman maganda-ganda?
Oh, okay. He's tall, dark, and handsome.
He's not even dark. Come on, man.
Well, okay, he's tall, light, and handsome. Okay, yun. Those are the good qualities I can say. Saka ang galing, ang ganda ng bigote. Yun. Oh, and he's a good guy. Meron ng isang reporter pa. This was years ago. I
Tako, hindi pa
kinda
tapos.
wrote,
Oh, may kwento.
yeah, I wrote something na, about Bolik. Kasi may laro kasi Asian Games yata yun. And Bolik kinda guaranteed. Nanalo kami, tapos natalo. So, I wrote a column the next day. I said, why would you say something like that? Na, put undue pressure on yourself. Diba? I don't like that.
Confidence lang.
I
Minsan
know.
naman ganun eh. For marketing.
It's good. Pero long story short, kung hindi natuloy, so I wrote about it. May nagalit pa, isang media.
Oh. Media
Isang
nagalit? Bakit naman media magagalit?
Yun na nga, which was why I'm like, what the hell? Nag-message sa akin, sabi, bakit ko daw ginawa yun? Kaibigan daw niya si Bolik, mabait na si Bolik. And you know what? I don't care. I don't care. Sabi ko, kung gusto mo puriin si Robert, kasi I block ko na agad kasi I don't like toxicity in my space. Block ko na agad. And I was saying to myself now, kayo dyan, if you don't like something I write, I have a suggestion pa. Write your own column. May
Kala ko
column
block
kayo?
malamang naka-block na ako dyan sa media na yan.
Oh, di ba?
Kasi nandito ka sa platform ko eh. Huwag kang mag-alala ka. Whether, kung ano sabihin mo, okay lang naman. Basta wag lang tayo mademanda. Yun lang naman ang rule ko sa iyo, di ba? Lahat, banata mo lahat. I don't care. Banata mo nga ako. Okay lang din. That's why I like you here. So, no.
Kung hindi nila nagustuhan pa, then, hindi naman tayo namimilit eh. That's why I was so offended. Not really offended. I was amused na yung may nag-message sa atin na ganito, yung podcast, ganito, gano'n. Sabi ko, ang show natin, sabi ko, wow, hindi naman namin kayo pinipilit ah. Kayo ang pumupunta dito kasi alam nyo, may juice, may mga breaking news, magaganda ang guest, no? That's why you come here. And then para bang, ito kasi ibang mentality ng mga fans. Parang, mga kababayan natin, the ugly side of the Filipinos, some Filipinos, not all na, iniimbita mo na sa party, pag uwi, ikaw pa masama, naku, parang maalat ang adobo ah. O, di ba? Inimbita ka na, libre ka na pagkaon, nagbe-bring house ka pa, pero ang marinig mo na, uy, sabi ni yung pansit mo daw, medyo hindi maganda, kulang yata sa Ricardo's, kayo adobo mo daw, maalat. Diba? That's exactly some of the fans here. They come here free of charge. They get to see your pretty face, pal. They get to see me interview coaches and players, libre, and then nagbabash pa. Diba?
Yeah.
Ano ba ito ba? Mga Katoliko ba ito, pal? Yung mga bashes natin?
Iya mo na, ganun talaga, Omar. Pagbigyan mo na yan. Diyan din tayo. Anyway, kaya pala, pag pumupunta na rin ako sa... Titingin yata ako sa likod pag press conference na, ha? Sino ba yan dito yung kaway ni Homer? Kakapya kaya lagi ako nagte-training eh. Anyway.
Mga kaibigan ko lahat, I respect their work. Yung Philippine Star, kaibigan ko yan. May kaibigan ako sa Inquirer.net kasi wala nang Inquirer newspaper pa sports page eh. So, website na lang. So, mga kaibigan ko yan sa Abante.
Yes.
Sa ABS-CBN, di ko kilala mga bata doon, mga nag-sports. Pero kilala ko si Jervis Manahan.
Yeah.
So, i-flex ko lang yan.
Kaibigan naman din natin lahat.
Kaibigan naman natin yan eh.
Sila lang hindi may kaibigan sa atin minsan. Kasi ginagalingan mo masyado eh. Anyway, sabi ni Jan said Frey Larina, Sirs, do you think there's a chance na mag-back out si Phillips sa PBA draft since he will suit up for Gilas at pwede siya sa Japan or baka magustuhan siya bigla?
That is a very good question and a very intelligent question.
Good. That's why I read them.
Kasi this is the reason why yung Gilas, yung the SBP, they're very careful in mga bigla lang gustong maglaro ng Gilas because they know it's being used as a stepping stone to go to ano,
Portfolio, kumbaga.
yeah, to go to the no, because Pao, to be able to play in the Japan B League, you need to be rostered and actually played for at least one game sa Gilas sa national team. If you can do that, then eligible ka na. Pwede ka na mag-Japan B League where malalaki ang whatchamacallit, malalaki ang pasahod. And a lot of these Phil-Amps, and hindi sila eligible sa kasi mixed race. Like for instance, Cedric Merfield, he cannot play in the Korean Basketball League kasi tatay itim and then mama Pilipina. It's either both have to be Filipinos, your parents, or carrying Filipino passports. So, yun ang dyan. So, a lot of this, that was also the reason why si QMB, iba may mga ogong-ogong. Last time he was, gusto niya maglaro. He made it no secret na gusto niya maglaro. Tapos, the SBP was kind of, according to my sources, reluctant kasi, baka malalaro lang yan ng isa tapos hindi natin makita pag maka-Japan na. Diba? So, QMB got the local, status that on his own. So, nakalaro na siya sa Japan and then he plays for Gilas with a contract. So, ganun yun. Mike Phillips, soon as he plays in July or whenever that is, late June, eligible na siya sa Japan. So, the question is, will he still enter the PBA draft? And the answer is, quote unquote, that's the plan. Tinanong ko yung kapatid ni Mike Phillips na si Ben Phillips, so he's also part of his management team. Tinanong ko kahapon na, na-announce na si Phillips. So, patuloy. Kasi he was also the same person who told me na mag-enter ng draft si Michael Phillips. So, there was speculation na, mag-enter ng draft, baka natawagan na to na hindi siya kasali sa 12-man team. So, ngayon, na nandun na siya, tinanong ko, and then the brother said, that's the plan. So, it'd be interesting to find out pa kung talagang sasali ba sa draft si Mike Phillips.
Okay.
Yun yan, Pao. See?
Galing.
Sila, Pao, yung mga bashers dyan, when was the last time they spoke to Ben Phillips or Mike Phillips?
Teka. Ayaw mo na yan. Huwag mo na masyado pansinin yan.
Okay.
Relax lang. Relax lang.
Okay.
Relax. Ako magtuturo sa iyo sa ganyan. Let them